Everything I hear has been misleading, one way or the other. On the gun side, there's a lot of emotion and a lot of finger pointing and name calling without being factual and without acknowledging that we really do need this discussion. On the other side, the terminology and the definitions and again, name calling and insulting is going on, again, without really understanding the technical details and what the law says and means.
So you'd hope that maybe cooler heads would prevail.
I hope
and
so.
We'd have an honest discussion based on facts, not, either emotion or imprecise language.
We need to. There's some things that need to be conceded on both sides of that argument. And the president called on us to not be insulting and not, name calling is not politics. And I appreciated that part of his inaugural address.
Are you at all optimistic about this this discussion? I mean, I think obviously folks who are strong supporters of gun rights fear that, again, this is an effort to take away their guns and that they're going to be on the losing end of this bargain if anything moves forward. Do you think that there is room for some kind of compromise, legitimate compromise, that would protect Second Amendment rights but also make the country safer?
Absolutely. Background checks at gun shows, I think, is going to pass. I don't think there's any strong consensus against that. I think mental health care, mental health efforts, including dangerously mental ill diagnosis in the background check, not just adjudication, which is what it says now, will help. We can improve things. Legislating appearance of guns and cosmetics and trying to basically close the barn door after the horses are out on magazines and certain types of weapons is only going to go so far. And will probably trample on the Second Amendment unless the Supreme Court changes so much they change definitions.
Right. Okay. Well, is there anything else you'd like to add? Again, you're going to watch this and go, well, we talked for 20 minutes and he used 10 seconds. Sadly, I think this probably won't really get very deeply into the issue.
I understand that most of this interview won't be aired, and I don't know what else to say. That